Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Tether from Coinbase Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding USDT on Coinbase and want to move it to Phantom for DeFi or Solana projects, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with Tether in it and Phantom Wallet installed on your device. If you haven't already, download Phantom from the App Store or their official website and create or import your wallet. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your asset list and select Tether, USDT. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input your Phantom Wallet address. To find this, open your Phantom app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the address. Paste it into Coinbase, and specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs to avoid surprises. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're sure, hit confirm. Depending on network congestion in 2025, this could take a few minutes to an hour. After that, head over to your Phantom Wallet and refresh it. You should see your Tether deposited. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's for USDT on that network. A quick tip. In 2025, make sure you're using the correct network. Phantom is primarily for Solana, so ensure your Tether is on the Solana blockchain or bridge it if needed. Always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn Tether from Coinbase to Phantom. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the Web3 world. See you next time.